Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Deep, deep. Breathe, breathe. 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 Let's take a few moments to connect with the physical body. The body that carries our dreams, ambitions, our hopes and wishes. When we are grounded, in touch with the physical body, we manifest, motivate. We know to rejuvenate, replenish our energy. Feel your knees, legs, ankles, toes, and feet. See them through your inner eyes. Do they look relaxed? Inhale. Move your toes, calves, ankles, and feet. They are strong, balanced, and they support your every move. You are grounded and firm in your existence, like the largest tree you've ever seen. Breathe. Let's take a journey. Let's take a journey deeper into this energy center, the root chakra, the base of our spine. Imagine walking into an open field where only you are allowed. As you walk, you inhale the fresh air, and as you exhale, you see and feel the beauty of all nature surrounding you. The sky is blue with puffy white clouds. Feel the soft wind on your neck, your shoulders, your hands, your feet, legs. You are in touch with all creation. Here in this place, you are electric, you are alive. The more you walk, the more you connect with your existence. Just ahead you see a red blanket. The closer you get, the brighter it becomes. And just as you thought, it had been there all along, waiting for you, patiently. As you take one step on the red blanket, you hear a soft voice. Dance, dance. As you move your feet, legs, hips, your body sways to the rhythm of nature. Your arms and hands stretch up to the sky. You are connected. You are grounded, healthy and whole. You are alive, powerful. You live your dreams. You are victorious. The journey continues.